Before use, charge the AB Max adapter until the red C LED turns off. Then, disassemble the algae brush by removing the cap, burr, and chuck. Then unscrew the knurled end cap from the bottom of the algae brush body. Take the algae brush motor with copper tab and battery out of the shell body and keep the battery for use in a different device. Insert the bottom end of the algae brush motor into the recessed cavity on top of the AB Max adapter. Then insert the end of the algae brush copper tab into the receiver slot in the adapter. Take the algae brush housing and slide it over the partially assembled handpiece. Then screw it clockwise onto the AB Max adapter until it is snug. Reattach the algae brush chuck to the motor shaft. Pick up an AB Max procedural pack and gently pull the two tabs on the peel pouch apart, only enough to expose the proximal ends of the AB Max tips. Pick up the assembled handpiece and insert the end of the chuck into the opening of the AB Max tip so that the connection is snug. Wipe the reservoir on the lift-up lid of the charging base with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Fill the reservoir with a liquid lid scrub solution of your choice. Pick up the assembled handpiece with attached tip and place the tip into the liquid lid scrub solution for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the handpiece for a few seconds. The tip will rotate in a forward motion. Apply the wet spinning microsponge to the upper or lower outer eyelid margin and lash line to remove the scurf, debris, and dead skin. Treat the entire width of the outer eyelid margin in a swirling, scrubbing motion, back and forth, nasal to temporal, and temporal to nasal. After completely treating the entire length of the outer eyelid margin in forward mode, press the power button again to reverse the direction of the AB Max tip spin. The yellow LED R should now be lit. Repeat the entire process for 20 to 30 seconds on the same outer eyelid margin. After completely treating the entire length of that outer eyelid margin in reverse mode, press the power button again to switch to AB Max's pulse mode. The blue LED P should now be lit. Repeat the entire process for 20 to 30 seconds on the same outer eyelid margin. When finished with that eyelid, repeat the same process for the untreated eyelid of the same eye. When finished with that eye, press the power button again to stop. Remove and discard the used tip and reload a new AB Max tip. After soaking the tip for 10 to 15 seconds, repeat the entire process for the patient's other eye. Then discard the used tip. When the anterior blepharo exfoliation is completed, place the AB Max handpiece back in the charging base. AB Max provides the power of the pulse, an advanced doctor's treatment for anterior blepharitis, better outcomes, and higher profits.